hitting right though. I never said that I would spend the night though. Now why you mad for? You know how it go. And if I ever wrote I love you shit, that must have been a typo.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is JC Honey and we're back at it again with another motherfucking video. And as you guys can tell by the title, this is gonna be another mukbang, okay? I don't know if it's mukbang, whatever. But today's mukbang is we're gonna be making some hot chicken flavor ramen noodles, and this is the flavor mala. I was honestly looking for the very hot ones, and it comes in a black packet, but unfortunately the little oriental store that we do have here in Pasco does not have the black one, or did not have the black one at that time. So I'll be ordering some in the mail and hopefully I can get them in soon. But we're going to be doing these noodles and we're going to be adding some cheese, just because, like, honestly, I've been watching YouTube videos on these damn noodles and it looks so bomb with cheese, so that's exactly what we're going to do. And honestly, I don't really have a topic for tonight, or for today's mukbang, or tonight's mukbang, depending on when you're actually seeing this. But yeah, I don't have a subject, but I guess we're just gonna roll with it and go along, and I'm just gonna be blabbing about my life. And yeah, my life is pretty lame, so just enjoy me eat this damn noodles and some butter. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to make them, and then we'll go ahead and start with the mukbang. So yeah. Okay guys, so what we're currently doing is I just recently put some water in a pan, and I'm gonna basically let that boil and then add my noodles. Once I do the noodles, I'll let you guys see the process, and then we'll remove a little bit of the water, add the sauce, I believe it has like some vegetables or like some seasonings, and then we'll add the cheese at the end. So sorry if you guys hear my dog in the background. He's currently going nuts over a little ball and he's just running around. But I currently have the water boiling for the noodles. I will be adding the noodles in, and then I'll be adding the sauce, and also I believe it comes with like some seasonings and stuff, so I'll be doing that, and then I'll add the cheese at the very end, and I'll take you guys with me. So this is the water boiling right now, and I'm gonna go ahead and add the noodles right now. So let's see if this stays if this stays down. It doesn't want to stay up. And I've seen some people, well, wait, open it.
What are you doing, buddy? What are you doing? The sofa?
Break it.
That's sofa? Yeah, I want you rock it, dude.
We're just gonna let this cook for a little bit, and then we'll take some of the water off because I think I put a little bit too much water, and then we'll go ahead and continue with the process. So I'm just gonna let that sit there for a little bit because I like my noodles kind of hard but kind of soft at the same time. So
I can see you.
What? Excuse me? had to take some of the water off because it was way too hot. Let me see. So this is how much water is left, just enough where it can soak it up a little bit. And then we're gonna go ahead and add the full packet of sauce.
Yeah, happy sauce.
Huh?
Yeah, I say happy sauce. Happy sauce.
And we're gonna turn this off. And then we're gonna go ahead and add the full packet. Come here, Natalie. You can come this way. You see, you can see yourself right there. Okay. So then we're gonna go ahead and add the whole packet.
This is okay.
And I heard that this is really spicy.
No, that's spicy.
So we're gonna go ahead and squeeze all of it out. We're not gonna leave any of it behind.
Okay.
What?
That's spicy.
Yeah, I heard it's really spicy.
Yeah.
We're gonna go ahead and stir this up.
Yeah, you wanna eat some chicken.
Make sure it gets all coated up.
I can ask you to cambia. That's sopa.
No, this is different. This is different than sopa. And then we're gonna go ahead and add the.
That's different sopa.
Yeah, this is different sopa. And then we're gonna go ahead and add the little spices.
I wanna put it.
You wanna put it?
Yeah.
Okay, so you're gonna grab it, okay, and then you're gonna dump it in there. Hold on, be careful, don't drop it. There you go, just squeeze it all in there. Good job. Throw it away. And then we're gonna go ahead and mix that all up.
Yes, we'll make one sugar make race.
Okay, be careful because this is hot, okay? And then we're gonna add cheese.
Yeah, cheese. I'm gonna put it for myself.
Okay, and then we're just gonna add some mozzarella cheese on top of this.
I wanna start it for myself.
You wanna also put some cheese on it?
Yes.
Okay.
Cheese on my hands.
Okay. Okay, so he's gonna go ahead and put some cheese on it. Just grab it and put it in there, okay?
Okay.
Grab some, put it in there, hurry, because they're heavy. Good job.
Yay.
We're gonna go ahead and put about 1 full handful of cheese.
Yeah.
There we go.
Even a little bit, so.
And then we're gonna mix this up.
Yeah. We want to eat Steven's little sopa. That's different sopa.
And I think we're gonna add a little bit more cheese because it doesn't look cheesy enough.
Wow, you know, I was going to cheese on my hands. I will get more cheese.
And we're just gonna let that simmer down
Yeah.
and cook down for a little bit, and then I will see you guys in a little bit. Okay, Nathaniel? What did you say, Nathaniel?
1 minute, the food.
1 more minute for the food?
Yeah.
It's cooking down?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
You positive?
Yeah.
Okay, 1 more minute.
Okay. Let's see if it cooked.
Be careful because you're gonna drop it. And I don't want you to drop it.
What?
Look at this, guys.
Whoa, that's big. That's big. Oh, yeah, 1 second. I can see you. Yes, no. Yummy shuttle. That's good. That's good.
Yeah.
It's done. I thought it's done. Gabby didn't work.
Okay, guys, so we're gonna end up putting it into this bowl.
Yeah, put it in the bowl. Just put it in the bowl. So. Oh, that's no king. This is no sopa.
Look at all that cheese.
Yeah, that's Jesus can yummy. That's better, chili.
Okay, guys, this is the end result of the spicy noodle chicken flavored cheesy noodles that I ended up doing. I don't know, they're super cheesy. Look at this. Just, it looks really good. I ended up putting some cheeses of roastery chicken in there just because I need some meat in there. But I'm sorry if you guys hear my family in the background. Everyone's here at this moment and they're all going crazy because they're all hungry. So I'm sorry that I don't have chopsticks. We just don't ever use chopsticks. I don't even know how to use them. But honestly, these noodles are bomb. These are bomb. Definitely recommend you guys these noodles. But back to the mukbang. Honestly, life is pretty good. Emotionally, my life is good. Physically, I'm better than ever. Health-wise, I am okay. Financially, I am okay. Work is going fine. I had a little life hiccup, but everything's going back to track to normal. A rough start to the year, but I don't take those losses as like a big loss. I just take them as lessons, and I just had to learn a really big lesson at the beginning of this year. And yeah, I'm kind of like proud that I was able to get through it and not only know who's actually behind me and actually down to ride for me, but I actually got to like really appreciate my family and have more of gratitude towards them. And I just like feel blessed to have the family that I was given, even though that sometimes family can just be fucking annoying. But family will always be family, and you will always be blood related, so no matter what, you always have to have their backs. And honestly, my family this year has proven a lot of that to me, a lot of loyalty, more than anyone or anyone else has ever. So for that, I give a shout out to my family. My best friends that know about my situation. I fuck with y'all. Y'all the MVPs. Yeah. You guys told me so. I didn't listen, and here I am dealing with my consequences. But I love you guys. I really fuck with you guys. You guys are fucking amazing. I think for this year, I'm just expecting a lot more blessings, a lot of more positive attitude, and a little bit more of the bright side, you know. I tend to be a lot, not negative, but just in general, just like I just like to see the real life. Like, I'm not gonna sugarcoat shit, and I'm not gonna like fake shit about it. So for example, if I know that something bad's gonna happen, I'm just like, okay, cool, like I know it's gonna happen, you know. But that can also get me into a lot of shit, which it has. And I'm not trying to be that person. I'm just gonna try to hope for the best and think for the best. And that's what we're doing in 2020, you know? Got my glasses fixed up, so I will be seeing 2020. I'm gonna see if I can get a second job, because the last second job I had was not worth it. Extra cash would not hurt my wallet, and especially for all the trips that I have planned this year. I have 2 major trips that I'm trying to go to, a couple concerts, and there's a festival that I'm trying to go to so bad this year. But we'll see if I can get the time off for those days, because I only have like a certain amount of time off. And also finding the right people to go to, because I'm one of those people that I don't like doing things by myself, just because I'm scared of like doing shit on my own. But at the same time, I like doing shit on my own. I don't know, it's a weird thing. Like, I want to do the things alone, and then when I get to it, I'm just like, fuck, I wish I would have had someone here with me, you know? And then when I have someone around me, I'm just like, fuck, maybe this would have been a lot better, or the outcome would have been different if I would have came by myself. Because, you know, sometimes you just don't find the right people right away. For example, I've had trials and tribulations with other people, and I found out that I have like 4 people that I can travel with, that I know that for a fact that even if we have a conflict, that we won't fuck our friendship up, you know? We would just talk shit out. Love life is alright. Not really looking. Whatever happens, happens. Not saying that I don't have anything for anyone, but I'm just keeping it private for now. Just because, like, if you don't know, like, really what it is, like, just don't speak on it, you know? So I'm just not gonna speak on it any more than just what it is. I'm still dieting. I still go to the gym. Oh, I was gonna give you guys an update on my extensions. So for my extensions, I actually did end up having my extensions in for about a month and a half or so, almost 2. But the reason why they're not on right now is because I just felt like my scalp was way too oily and like nasty. And this is just because like I am a girl who washes her hair every freaking day, because like my scalp is really oily, and I don't know, I just feel like it gives like this nasty odor to my scalp. So once I feel like it's like one day, I'm like, oh hell no, like I gotta wash my hair. So I would wash my hair every other day with the hair extensions, which by the way is really good that they actually lasted me this long. But okay, so I wasn't like, I'm not an expert in hair, and obviously if I did upload the video of me doing my hair extensions, you guys would know that I DIY'd them. So I did it on my own. So guess what happened? I DIY'd the removal process of the extensions. Well, I did not do my research properly or correctly, you would say, that I ended up leaving the residue of the glue or the tape on my hair, on my actual hair. So my dumbass, what I was doing, I was heating up the extension and then trying to like, I was trying to do this motion with the hair extension on my hair, but taking it off from my real hair. Well, the thing is, that didn't end up happening. That actually ended up worsening the situation. And I currently, you can't really tell right now, but my hair is, right now, it is, I don't know, I would say the bottom half is covered with like little glue spots, like tape spots. And it's basically just like a small amount of the tape that ended up like, I don't know, like balling up on my hair. And the only way you can do that either, well, there's 2 ways to take it off. Patiently wait, add oil to your hair, and let it slide off while you're showering in the hair. Or you can just chop it off. Y'all can tell I don't have that much of a long hair that I can just chop that stuff off and it just be cool, like Kool-Aid. But baby, we're dealing with hair growth right now and we're trying to grow these bitches out. So I resorted to patiently waiting for him to like slide off. And let me just tell you, it's only been 2 days and I can't seem to actually do my hair properly. So I've been trying to braid them, hair bun them, and that is why I have hair braids in my hair and I don't have my hair extensions. Other than that, hair extensions were amazing. They gave me length, they gave me fullness. I don't know, it were good for what it lasted. So yeah, now I'm back to my normal natural hair and I'm honestly in love with it. My hair actually ended up growing a tiny bit, which was what I was really wanting to. The only thing that I did fail in that whole thing is that I was supposed to not put any, or try to put that much heat into my hair. Come in, and I actually did end up putting a shit ton of heat on my hair, which was Well, the opposite of what I wanted. Did you bring the fries? Guys, welcome. My brother and his girlfriend.
Hi guys.
And they bought me some fries because the noodles weren't enough.
Are they spicy?
No, they weren't that spicy. And they're bomb. It has cheese in it.
The ones you got were hella spicy.
Oh no, don't it tastes bomb. Like bomb. Yeah. Hold on, let me get your reaction. They're not bad, huh? They're not spicy.
Wait, did you add a cheese yourself?
Uh-huh. And I added roasted chicken.
Awesome.
I was gonna do an egg with seaweed on it, but I didn't find the seaweed.
They have some at Costco.
The sheets?
Mm-hmm.
Nice. So, that's what we're doing. Try it out.
Chicken?
It's not even spicy.
Is it chicken?
Yeah, eat it.
But that's what you add chicken.
Why not?
No, it's not.
Don't believe it, it's just trash.
Nah, it was pretty good.
No, I'm telling you, you don't want them anymore.
I know she was the one who ordered the chicken nuggets.
No, you don't want them anymore to give them to her.
I don't want them. I
She
never.
doesn't want to eat them anymore.
Oh. I just wanted the fries.
And take some.
Just take them because I'm not gonna eat them.
You sure?
Mhm. I already ate my noodles.
That's hella food, though. What?
I'll eat the chicken nuggets then. Yeah. I'll eat some of them.
You want that?
Guys, we're adding chicken nuggets to the thing. Do you guys wonder why I'm a fat ass? Honestly, I'm really full. And yeah. New things coming up in 2020, by the way. Have a couple collaborations with a couple artists here in Tri-Cities that are local. And hopefully you guys will enjoy those videos. I have a bunch of video ideas in my head, but I just never bring them out because bring them out. No, I just really don't get them to like I just don't get them to come out the way I want them to, so they don't ever get posted. I fucking feel like a fat ass. But I did go to the gym this morning, and I'm going to the gym in the morning. Okay, guys. Well, thank you guys for watching this motherfucking video. I'm glad you guys enjoyed this mukbang. And if you guys like this video, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and share this fucking video. Even if it's just talking shit, I don't give a fuck. Share the motherfucking video. It actually helps me out either way. So don't be a hater and dislike this motherfucking video. Just, you can just exit out. But yeah, but for those who keep coming back and are already subscribed, thank you guys. You guys are the MVP. And if you guys keep coming back and not subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Yeah, I'm pretty lame, so I would understand if you don't subscribe. So I'll see you guys the next time. See ya. Bye.